Hey everyone, thanks for joining us again. This is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around on this 2017 Buick Enclave Premium. Hey, let's do the walk around on the outside of this Buick Enclave with the Tucson package and Premium package. It's got 20-inch polished alloy wheels with matching Bridgestones all the way around, with 90 to 95% tread remaining. As you can see, it is an Ebony Twilight metallic exterior over a Choccochino / cocoa leather interior. Other than a few very minor chips that you can see only because this is a ebony exterior, this thing is flawless. It's a beautiful car. There's no dents, dings, or scratches anywhere. A lot of chrome accents all the way around, as you can see. It's got a automatic power rear lift gate, as you can see here. It also has a third row seating in the back. Again, no dents, dings, or scratches on this side or on the roof with the dual sunroofs and the factory installed roof rack. It has 20,720 miles and it looks it. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, looking at the interior of this beautiful Enclave. As you can see, the leather is in perfect shape. None of the stitching is frayed. There's no real wear, tears, burns, holes. Rear captain's chairs, again, they're flawless. That is the rear audio and climate controls. And as you can see in the third row, I'm not sure if anyone sat back here because it does look new. There's no marks of any kind back here at all. Some cup holders, all the plastics are perfect. Headliner's in great shape. As you can see, there's the dual sunroofs and the vents for the rear climate. Hey everyone, let's do a startup on this Enclave. As you can see, it has a heated steering wheel with your cruise controls right there. It's a multi-function steering wheel. Voice control here with leather and wood grain. It has a chrome accented gauge cluster with 0 lights on the dash. 20,721 miles on the odometer. It has blind spot lane departure, collision avoidance, and cross traffic. OnStar, as you can see, your home link here, controls for your sunroof there, chrome accented clock here, Buick IntelliLink here with navigation, dual climate control, also rear climate control. Heated and cooled seat controls are here and here. Your towing abilities and your power lift gate controls. Leather and wood grain shifter. Wood grain center console. It's quite the beautiful Enclave.